Hi everyone, it's me again, Maria, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm thrilled to introduce to you my brand new vlogging camera. So I'll be testing out this camera over the next few weeks and sharing my experiences with you. Alright, so without any further ado, from unboxing to behind the scenes vlogs, we'll explore all the features that come into this camera, all the capabilities together. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Okay, there you go. See? Of course, there's paper of this. Oh, this is my new 4K camera. All right, I'm going to upgrade some of my stuffs here on my home studio. I'm using a camcorder, which is this one right now. Ever since, I think I've been using this for so many years, and this is the only camera I have. So I'm thinking about upgrading my camera, so I ordered this camera. So let's see how it looks like. All right, open this one. Of course, when you open the box, what you will see is this instruction manual, or there's a card, this one card, and this is how it looks like inside the box. Okay, I'm gonna take this one outside. So I think this is the camera itself and nothing inside. Let's open it, this one. All right, so it's all foam. And I think on this side is the okay, so I got this strap for your camera, and I also got this what is this? I don't know what is this. I'm gonna figure out. I don't know what is this, but it's inside of the box, so maybe this is one that I need. And of course your they have the SD something, and they have this extra battery, right? And they also have the USB. I didn't know that there's so many in there. Of course, the a small cloth that you can use to clean up your camera, and of course, as usual, your manual. Alright, so nothing in the box, and of course, don't forget the cord. Okay, alright, so let's see. I'm gonna open this camera, and there's a lens over here. So this camera is from NBO. NBO. It's not a Sony, it's not really a Panasonic or something like that. That expensive camera. Right now, while I'm filming, I'm using my Android phone camera for this, and later I'm gonna use this. As you know, capturing high quality videos is essential for creating engaging content. So one of the things that I love most about this camera while I'm searching, it's a 4K Ultra HD video resolution. Okay, so another fantastic feature is the digital zoom lens with an 18 times zoom capability and a macro function for those close-up shots. So this is a game changer for vlogging because it allows me to capture a wide range of scenes, from detailed close-ups to expansive wide shots. But wait, there's more. This camera also has a flip-out screen. This is perfect for vlogging. This is what I'm looking for because it allows me to see myself while I'm recording, while I'm filming, just to ensure that I'm always in the frame and looking my best. So additionally, it also comes with some handy accessories, a dual battery charger to keep me powered up while I'm doing my recording or during long shoots. There's also a USB adapter and micro SD card with a reader for easy file transfer to your computer. So I'll be testing out this camera over the next few weeks and sharing my experiences with you.